right. Well, appreciate you guys taking the time to try out the bioWrap. I guess could each of you tell me kind of what's a standout feature that you liked about the bioWrap versus traditional shape wrap that you've used before?
Starting off, so I think that the seams in general, they stick a lot better. I think we've had a lot of issues with the other wrap, but these seem to stick like glue, and I can't complain about it thus far.
Yeah, I like the seams too. The bellies, it did seem like it shrunk a little bit faster, but not crazy amount.
Yeah.